You guys remember that one time I said, and of course my man doesn't have the proper headsets for the occasion. Well, do I have the plug for you. These are the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless gaming headsets. They're the latest from HyperX and Evetech sent me a pair. They feel premium and durable thanks to the aluminium frame. And yet are super comfortable thanks to the foam headband and the soft leathered ear cushions. They also have DTS headphones, X spatial audio, and you can customize things the way you want to with the HyperX software. But honestly, I think my favorite part about these headphones is the battery life. They can last up to 120 hours on a single charge. So if you're like me and you love watching anime, listening to music, or playing video games, you can enjoy it for weeks without charging. Yo chat. Not gonna lie, I've been using these headphones for like 7 days now, and they're still at 50%. I'm loving them. In the box, you also get a USB charging cable, a crystal clear detachable microphone, and the versatile multi-platform wireless dongle that works on PC, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch. It also comes with a bag for the headset. It's available on the Evetech website.